When I saw you standing there, the world just disappeared. Every sound, every crowd faded when you were near. Your eyes told me stories my heart had never known. And from that very moment, I knew I'd found my home. Every heartbeat whispers your name. Every sunset feels the same, 'cause no matter where I go, I'll be yours to hold. And now and forever, my love won't fade. Through every night and every day, you're the reason I breathe, the song I play. Now and forever, I'll love you the same. We've been through the storm, the fire and the rain, but your touch still heals my pain. Time may change the skies above, but it can't take away our love. Every dream I've ever known leads me back to where you showed that love's not just a word, it's you and me alone. Now and forever, my heart is true. No one else could love like I do. You're my always, my endless view. Now and forever, I'll stay with you. If the stars ever fade from the night, I'll still find your light. If tomorrow takes it all away, my love for you will stay. Now and forever, our hearts entwine, your soul and mine, through space and time.